Hey everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a web page with scroll to top button. Before proceeding further, please be sure to drop a like on this video, and subscribe to my channel, for more tutorials. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Open your code editor. Then create an HTML file. Since we will be using icons, let's include Font Awesome in our project. Copy the code for link tag from CDN.js. Use another link tag to include our CSS file. Create a body element with class as preload. Inside the body, create a div element with class as button. Inside it, put an up arrow icon using iElement. I will be using a social media theme for this project. You can use icons of your choice as well. Create a div element with class as section. Add the name of social media as another class to same div element. Inside it, create another div with class as logo. Insert the social media icon using Font Awesome inside the logo div. Create another div with class as text. Put the name of social media inside it. Now, repeat these steps for other social medias as well. At the end, use a script tag to include our JavaScript file. Our HTML part is ready. Let's write the CSS. Create a CSS file. Reset the default margin and padding to 0. For all elements of preload class, set transition to none, and add important property to it. This will prevent the flashing of element on opening the web page. For the button class, set position to fixed. Set bottom and right to 2%. Set background color to white smoke color. Set border radius to 50%. Set padding to 20 pixels. Set box shadow to 0 pixels X and Y offset. 25 pixels blur radius. And color to black, with 40% opacity. Set font size to 1.5 em. Set cursor to pointer. Set opacity to 0. Set transition to opacity, with 0.2 seconds duration. Set visibility to hidden. For the section class, set height to 100 VH. Set display to flex. Set justify content to center. Set align items to center. Set flex direction to column. Set color to white smoke color. For the section class's logo class, set font size to 8 rem. For the section class's text class, set margin top to 25 pixels. Set font size to 2 rem. Now, style the background color of each section, with its social media's brand color. Our CSS is ready. Let's write the JavaScript. Create a JavaScript file. On window load, we will remove the preload class from the body. Let's write a function, which will get called on window scroll. Get Windows Y scroll position, and store it in a variable. If it is greater than 30% of windows in a height, We will set buttons visibility to visible. And opacity to 1. Else, we will set buttons opacity to 0. And use a set timeout to set buttons visibility to hidden. We are using set timeout to let the opacity transition complete. Also, the delay is set to 200 milliseconds, which is also the duration of our transition. Let's write an on-click function for the button. We will use Windows Scroll to method to scroll back to the top. Let's pass an options object to it. Set the behavior to smooth and top to 0. So here, our final project is ready. So, that's all for today. Hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. Please be sure to drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. So, I'll meet you next time. Till then, good luck and peace.